Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial on my channel. Today, we're tackling how to redeem a code in State of Survival 2025. If you're a fan of this post-apocalyptic strategy game, you know how valuable promo codes can be for grabbing extra resources, heroes, or boosts. Whether you're a newbie survivor or a seasoned player, this step-by-step guide will have you redeeming codes in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have State of Survival installed on your device and that you're logged into your account. This is crucial because codes are usually tied to your player profile. Once you're in the game, head to the main menu. Look for the Settings icon, which is often represented by a gear wheel in the top right corner. It's your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes options. Next, inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Redeem Code or Gift Code section. Don't worry if it's not immediately obvious, games like this sometimes hide it under Events or Account. Once you've located it, tap on that option to open the redemption interface. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see a text box prompting you to enter your code. Carefully type in the code, double-check for any uppercase letters, numbers, or special characters to avoid errors. After entering the code, hit the Redeem or Confirm button. The game might take a few seconds to process it, so be patient. If everything's correct, you'll get a confirmation message along with your rewards popping up in your inventory. Awesome, right? But if you encounter an error, it could mean the code has expired or is invalid, so try copying and pasting it directly from a trusted source. One quick tip. Always redeem codes as soon as you get them because they often have expiration dates. Also, keep an eye on official game announcements for new codes. There you have it. That's how you redeem a code in State of Survival 2025. I hope this helped you level up your game. If you have any questions or want more tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.